So, hello mga ka-Mystic. Welcome back. This is Mystic Eye Tarot Reader. For today's general reading, okay, this is for all sign. Ano nga ba ang mga dapat ninyong abangan? Iwasan ngayong papalapit na ang 2024. This is general reading for 2024 mga ka-Mystic. So, let's see. Reverse of the Hangman, okay. All sign, this is for all of you. With the reverse of the Hangman, marami kayo ritong mga problemang ikakat. Marami kayo mga business na bibitawan. Okay, for some of you. And for some of you, I can see here na relationship. Also relationship. May mga relationship din kayo dito na ikakat. Yung mga toxic relationship with the Ten of Cups. Okay, like parang hindi nyo naman nakikita yung future yung sa isa't isa. Okay, parang hindi na kayo nag-work together ng person mo. That's why you're going to cut this connection or to cut this relationship this coming 2024 for some of you. But I also can see here na may mga family rin dito na maghihiwalay, something like that. Okay, magkakalayo. With the Ace of Cups. Okay, regarding for the general reading, I also can see here na yung iba sa inyo magta-travel overseas. May mga opportunity rin na nag-a-unlock para sa inyo all sign. Mga opportunity na hindi nyo na-expect. And within this week, may mga offering, may mga anonymous, or may mga unknown messages kayo marireceive. Yung mga messages na yun all sign, it's all about business, it's all about work, it's all about job offer na ino-offer para sa inyo. Okay? Yun yung mga opportunity or blessings na biglang dumating unexpectedly. Until next year yan. With the Empress card this year, I can sense here na medyo yung iba sa inyo na i-stress dito sa business, sa pagbagsak or sa pagkalugi ng negosyo ninyo. But I still can see that you are a very independent person all sign. Kumbaga, you can handle this. Kumbaga, kaya-kaya mo nang ayusin yan. Ano naman yung pinagdadaanan mo. With the Empress card this year, very successful na iba rito all signs, and you will be more successful until you will be more successful next year 2024. Mas magiging successful kayo as long as minamaintain nyo yung position nyo, minamaintain nyo yung work or yung business na meron kayo with the Empress card. Okay, possible din iba dito next year 2024 is magbabuntis because this is general reading for all sign, timeless yan. So expect the unexpected all sign. We also read the full card all sign. The card is giving me a word of encourage. You need to encourage yourself kasi na mag-take ng risk paminsan-minsan. You need to we have to do this na. We have to do this. Yung mag-take tayo ng risk. Okay, for so many reasons. Okay, one of them kasi meron ka dapat matutunan, okay? Meron ka dapat lesson. At sa lesson ay meron ka dapat matutunan. Okay, all sign. You need to take some risks. You need to, do the first move, of course. Kailangan kumilos ka, actionan mo. Lalong-lalo na kung yan ay abundance or job offering, opportunity, you have to grab it now, all sign. With the full card this year. Kailangan magkaroon ka rito ng, ng freedom. Palayain mo yung sarili mo na mag-take ng risk. Palayain mo yung sarili mo na mag-take ng ibang business, ibang work, ibang course, if you're studying, if you're working, if you're a business-minded, businesswoman, businessman, okay, if you're having a lot of fear, having a lot of trust issues here, all sign, you have to let it go na, okay, you need to free yourself, at mag-enter ka na sa 2024, because this year is your year, all sign. There's a lot of things kayong dapat abangan dito, okay, especially, some of you are going to be in a relationship na all sign. I can see here na malapit yun na matagpuan ang dawan ninyo or someone or somebody na magiging karelasyon nyo for the year of 2024. For some of you kasi single matagal na kayo nag-expect at matagal na kayo naghahangad na magkaroon ng karelasyon, and this year is the year na magkakaroon kayo ng karelasyon. All sign. Okay, all sign reading ito for 2024. And nakikita ko talaga dito na meron mga oportunidad or maybe it's yourself na ikaw na mismong lalapit na maghanap ng work para sa sarili mo or mag-create ng small or big businesses man iyan. Kasi may mga opportunity rito na nag-open talaga at may mga ideas dito na bigla na lang nagpa-flash at gusto nyo na lang siyang gawin all sign. Okay, if that opportunity is alam mo yon, makakatulong sa'yo for the future, go for it, or merong maibibigay sing lessons Go for it. With the Ten of Pentacles, because this opportunity also, in biglaan siyang darating. Biglaan. Unexpected blessings from the universe. Atong opportunity na nito. It's either work overseas or around the Philippines man iyan. Okay? We also have the Four of Wands. For some of you is may magbabalik bayan dito. Possible magbabalik ka na abroad. And possible din from abroad may magbabalik papunta ng Pinas. Homecoming. And I also can see here a big bunch of success for pursuing your goal this year until next year. Kapag pinursue yung goal nyo also, mas makakamtan nyo mas makukuha nyo yung success sa matagal nyo nang inaasam-asam. Okay, for some of you. And I also can see na some of you are talagang ikakasal na next year. Or within this year, bago matapos ang taong ito, may mga ikakasal, may mga magpro-propose dito. So take only what resonate. I also can see with the Queen of Cups, possible din na may magbuntis this year until next year. Okay? More fertility. More pregnancy to come for all of you all sign. I-claim nyo lang yung mga bagay na gusto nyo i-claim because this is all sign reading. With the Knight of Swords, within this year, all sign, until next year, you will have a very hectic schedule here. Sa work mo, sa business mo, maging hands-on ka dyan, maging full-time job ka doon, magfo-focus kayo maigi sa mga career ninyo because pagpapahalagahan nyo siya next year. Ngayon pa lang sinisimulan nyo na siya. Okay? I can see here na marami kayong pinaglalaban, marami kayong goal na gusto ma-achieve, all sign. That's why talagang pinoportion nyo, focus kayo sa goal nyo, nag-overtime kayo, nagsa-side hustle pa iba sa inyo rito. With the Page of Cups, yun nga lang, may mga opportunity talaga na dumaring na hindi natin matanggihan, di ba? Nakikita ko talaga dito all since na bukod dyan, nadadari na kayo sa mga side hustle nyo, sa work ninyo, sa business ninyo, may mga opportunity pa na dumarating na hindi nyo ma-refuse. 'Di ba? So, ina-accept nyo siya. Although, pagod na kayo, marami na kayong stress sa pinagdaanan, but I can still see here na nagpapaka-multitasker talaga kayo dito also. Ina-accept mo yung opportunity, yung job na ina-offer sa'yo. As long as magbe-benefit ka, as long as makakatulong to sa'yo, bibigyan ka na ito ng, alam mo yung experience ba? Okay? And some of you talaga, may mga manliligaw kayo dito na malapit na mag-confess, all sign. So, i-claim yun yung mga bagay na gusto nyo i-claim. Just like what I said, timeless to expect the unexpected. Okay? May mga admirer kayo rito sa tabi-tabi na nagpaparamdam. Yung iba rito from the past, and possible iba rito talagang recently admirer mo na siya. Until now, this person or those people are still pursuing you, diba? With the Three of Cups, sorry. So, someone from the past is magbabalik talaga all sign. I don't know who is this person, but for some of you, a friend, relative, family member, and ex-lover, okay, with the Three of Cups. May magbabalik from the past. Yung iba rito, hindi naman para balikan kayo to start another, or to try another relationship with you, but just to ask, or just to, alam mo yun, kamustahin ka lang, how's your life, paano ka, ano nangyari sa'yo, something like that. Also a friend, possible, one of your friend from the past will come back para kamustahin kayo all sign. But I also can see here a celebration. More party, masyadong party. Marami akong party na nakikita rito. Maraming event kayong aatenan next year 2024. Maraming concert. Maraming nightclub, night party. Okay, marami kayong invitation na mare-receive. Charity ball, charity event na aatenan. Okay? Marami kang, ayun nga, tulad ng sabi ko, event na pagpa-participatean, okay? Magpa-participate ka sa iba't ibang klaseng event. Okay, possible iba sa inyo dito, talagang very in case sa SOCMED, that's why you are very invited talaga sa kung ano-anong events. So, take only what resonate. With the Four of Pentacles, but year 2024, it's a year of pagtitipid. For some of you all sign, you already learn your lesson from the past, and that is mas magtipid kayo next year kesa before na palawaldas, palagastos kayo. Kailangan ingatan nyo yung pera nyo kasi maraming temptation sa paligid also yun ako nakikita rito. Maraming nagpapaakit or nangaakit sa inyong mga mata. Maraming bagay na makinang na hindi naman talaga tunay na ginto, diba? Sabi nga nila, all sign. So you need to you need to be wise next year. You need to be smart, okay? Think before you click with the Four of Pentacles. Pagpahalagahan mo bawat value ng pera, bawat value or bawat halaga na meron ka, bigyan mo to ng value, bigyan mo to ng pagpapahalaga. You need to take care of your money, you need to take care of yourself, of your career, of your position. Okay? We also are with the Ace of Pentacles kasi meron kang reward na mare-receive kay universe once na malabanan mo tong temptation na to. Okay? Ma-defeat mo to. Tong fear or tong weaknesses mo. All sign. With the Ace of Pentacles, I also can see here na you are going to enter your new beginning, your new journey here. And possible, some of you are going to work overseas, abroad talaga. Ang nakikita ko rito, inaantay nyo na lang yung visa nyo rito, inaantay nyo na lang yung feedback, okay, yung approval, kung kailan kayo alis, yung flight ninyo. And for some of you talaga nag-aayos pa lang. And I also can see here also na yung iba talaga rito, may mga nare-receive kayo unexpected abundance, unexpected unexpected money, alam mo yon, bonus from your work, from your company, kung saan ka nagtatrabaho, unexpected career, biglaan na lang kayo nag-boom, biglaan na lang kayo napansin. For some of you with the Ace of Pentacles is here. Also, I also can see you here na talaga nagtatayo kayo ng businesses, small man ito or big. Yung iba talaga sa inyo dito, nagba-brainstorming pa kayo. Nagka-create kayo ng idea, okay? Nag-iisip kayo ng business na itatayo ninyo. Kung ano ba yung magandang business na dapat yung itayo. Okay? With the King of Wands, personal energy, pinapalawak nyo kasi yung knowledge ninyo, all sign, di ba? Nagbiging, hindi sa nagmamatalino, pero hinahasa ninyo yung utak ninyo to think kung ano bang business yung in. Okay? Hindi dahil sa trending siya through social media, but you want to create your own and personal business here na magiin at kakagatin ng mga tao. Kumbaga, alam mo yon, yung bukod sa itinayo mo siya dahil siya yung gusto mo negosyo, is papatok talaga siya sa masa with the King of Wands. And you need to take a very serious action if you are creating a business also. Kasi kailangan maging hands-on kayo dito. You need to maintain, you need to aware 24/7 if kinakailangan. Okay, bantayan nyo yung businesses nyo, pangalagaan yung maigi. Diba? With the Ace of Swords. Kasi marami talaga kayo ditong kalaban. Maraming gustong itumba kayo. Maraming gustong madethrone ka. Maraming naiingit sa inyo all sign. So, be aware of these people. Okay? Be aware din sa mga kasosyo, sa mga pinagkakatiwalaan nyo with the Ace of Swords. Just focus on yourself. Focus on your dream. For your family, for your good future. Okay, makakamtan mo ang lahat ng to, all sign. Take only what resonate. With the Five of Wands, marami ka kasi makakabangga, all sign. There's a lot of people here wants to ruin your future, wants to ruin your career. Gusto ka talaga nilang hindi umasenso, all sign. So, be careful. Sa business din, also, marami kang pagdadaan ng ups and downs with the Five of Wands. If you're looking for a business partner, maraming conflict, maraming arguments, hindi kayo magkakasundo, maraming ganon, okay? So, communicate clearly. The only thing na pwede kong i-advise sa inyo, all sign, with the King of Cups. Palagi natin piliin maging malamig, maging mapagparaya, mapagpasensya, of course. With the King of Cups, just go with the flow, sabay mo lang ang agos ng life, until makarating ka sa patutunguhan mo, all signs. With the King of Cups, kasi, just like what you are doing right now, diba? You're giving and receiving, sharing your blessings to those people na nangangailangan, diba? Kaya doble or tripling blessing yung bumabalik sa'yo also. Tuloy-tuloy ito with the King of Cups. Okay? Like you never expect and thought na may blessings na darating sa'yo, pero nire-rewardan ka ni universe because of your kindness, because of your generosity, diba? That's all sign. And the last thing for you with the Knight of Wands, this is the last card for you, all sign, na kailangan mong i-avoid at kailangan mong i-control. You need to control yourself. You're being so impatient sa lahat ng bagay, sa career, if you're waiting for something or for someone, even if it's a good news, okay, even if it's about your visa, about your personal income, alam mo yun, yung pera mo, ganto ganyan, negosyo, kailan ka ba yayaman, kailan ka ba magkakaanak, or whatever, etc. You need to have some patience. A very long patience will do, and will bring you to success, all sign, with the Knight of Wands. So, you need to avoid yourself na mag-decide ng, or mag-desisyon ng wala sa wisyo, wala sa sarili, nagmamadali, dala ng bugso ng damdamin, or init ng ulo. You have to stop that. You have to control that, all sign. That's all. And with the Knight of Wands, the only thing that I can see here is, hindi ka tumitigil mag-work, mag-create ng business, okay? Because you want to be successful in time, you want to be rich in time. Okay, all sign. Gusto mo gumaan yung buhay mo. So, this is your general reading all sign for year 2024 in advance. Timeless reading yan. So, take only what resonate. See you guys. And don't forget to like and comment down below if naka-resonate kayo sa ibang card readings natin. Okay, see you on my next video. Comment down below.